Today, we are going to discuss the chemistry of In-N-Out Burger. We'll start with a basic understanding of the nutritional guide. Next, we will discuss the individual ingredients, and lastly, the pH of their drinks. The guide tells consumers the amount of calories, fat, sodium, carbohydrates, sugars, proteins, vitamins, calcium, and iron in each order. Let's discuss what each of these mean. A calorie is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of water 1 degree Celsius. Fat is a class of compounds referred to as lipids. They're soft, low-melting solids with a density less than that of water. Carbohydrates are any large group of organic compounds, including sugars, polysaccharides, with the general formula CmH2ON. Sugars are carbohydrates characterized by a sweet taste. Proteins are chain molecules of amino acids, and vitamins are biochemical compounds necessary for the function of an organism. Calcium is an alkali earth metal that is reactive at standard temperature and pressure. Iron is a transitional metal, and sodium is an alkali metal that is explosive with water. Here's an example of the double-double with fries. It contains 670 calories as well as 35% calcium and 30% iron. The fries are 395 calories and 2% calcium and 10% iron. But what are the ingredients? The bun is a bread. It is made of grain, salt, yeast, and water. Yeast is a single-celled creature that eats starch and releases carbon dioxide. The CO2 is a gas, so when placed in an oven with rising temperature, the gas takes up more volume and the bread rises. The meat contains proteins, fats, and water. The hormone myoglobin, not blood, makes meat red. Heat changes the shape of myoglobin, consequently changing it to brown. Say cheese. Cheese is concentrated milk without water. In the process of making cheese, the waterless milk changes the state of matter from liquid to solid. Tomatoes contain a hormone known as ethylene. Ethylene is the hormone that triggers the ripening process. Lycopene, which gives tomatoes their bright red color, is controlled by ethylene. Fun fact, many tomatoes are picked while green. We control the ripening process by filling the storage warehouses with ethylene gas. Onions. Inside the cells of onions, there are enzymes which are separated from other molecules. When a knife cuts the barrier between them, new molecules are formed. The molecules create the taste, aroma, and even syn-prothonyl S-oxide, which makes you cry. Ketchup and mustard. Both are suspensions, which are heterogeneous mixtures. Suspensions have particles so large and dense that they are suspended in aqueous solution until settled. So, now we know what we are eating. But what are we drinking? We took the time to go to In-N-Out Burger and test the pH of their most popular drinks. Coca-Cola and Diet Coke both had a pH of about 5. Iced tea had a pH of about 6, and the 7-Up has a pH of about 5. This has been great fun. Thanks for listening.
Created using Powtoon.